This video will focus on VubaMac. VubaMac for vehicle traffic is made up of 3 layers: an initial layer of Vuba SRM, 30mm of VubaMac, and another layer of Vuba SRM. On site with industry expert Nelson Birch from Devon Driveways, some Vuba team members had the opportunity to gain valuable insights into the installation process. Nelson will explain why the base of a resin-bound system is so important, the benefits to laying resin-bound onto the Vuba Mac Base, and how VubaMac has changed the industry.
VubaMac is basically a bespoke base material for a resin-bound surface. It's essentially a beefed up version of a resin-bound surface, so you've got a resin polyurethane binder and you've got a mix of aggregates. The difference being with this, it's an aromatic non-UV binder that's got really good strength and a fast cure rate, and the aggregate is a 10mm aggregate rather than the standard 1 to 3 and 2 to 5. Again, just gives that added strength and structure, and actually is a little bit more porous than the resin bound, so it's not going to hinder the water percolating through. Same methods for resin bound. If you've laid resin bound before, you will get on really well with this. It does have a fast cure, that is one of its benefits, so don't hang about. Primarily open graded tarmac and permeable concrete. Either or were used depending on the situation for the job. So I always try to pick the best base to match the surface for that particular project. VubaMac tends to tick the boxes of pretty much all of them now. Not correct sub-base preparation, because it's only laid at 30mm depth. If you've got undulations in the sub-base or discrepancies, then you haven't got the depth of the surface to accommodate them. So just spend a little bit of extra time prepping the sub-base that you can get that consistent 30mm throughout. Same day install, which is massive. So base can go down, top can go down. Because the initial cure is so fast, if you have to fix trims for border and design details, within a matter of hours you can actually drill and plug screws into this and you're not getting them jumping out, which you can't do with concrete or tarmac. The third one would probably be porosity. Although I haven't got anything to back it up, I would hedge my bets that one of these surfaces is more permeable or allows more water per hour than concrete or tarmac. One of the reasons is because it's laid thinner than either, but yet has the same or more strength, and because the binder itself isn't as thick as a cement paste or a bitumen, there's more voids in the surface, so there's more room for the water to percolate.